Beshies! Good morning and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Andito na ulit ngayon ang inyong Ate Jaja. For today's vlog is I am going to show you yung nabili kong air fryer. It is a Kaisa brand. I hope you pronounce it right, but I bought 4 liters na air fryer para may magamit ako dito sa pinagsastayan ko sa Makati, and I'm trying to be healthy now. Beshies, and it's not easy, of course, if sobrang tagal and during pandemic wala akong ibang ginawa kundi ang kumain ng hindi healthy na foods. But I'm gonna show you over yung air fryer and I'll give a review. So meron akong nabili na crispy chicken classic, and this is ang brand niya is Pure Foods. This is actually the first time na bumili ako nito. And yun yung tinatry ko ngayon sa air fryer. So, ayan. Yung air fryer natin. It's sobrang maliit lang siya. Like, ganyan lang siya. Ayan. So, according sa instructions dito is to preheat muna yung air fryer. And then, 25 minutes siya. No need to thaw naman. So, let's check. Ooh! Parang malapit na agad siya maluto But let's still keep on cooking. Para sa mga may air fryer, I highly recommend you guys this baking spray. And para sa mga nagda-diet, it's actually 0 calories. And super helpful to because no need na kayo maglagay ng oil, prito-prito. Kasi beshes, kahit nag-air fryer kayo, hindi ganun ka-crunchy yung food. So, ang ginagawa ko, nisprayan ko siya ng baking spray. And super bongga. Mas preferred ko siya na ganun. So, yarn. It's been 5 minutes na, beshies. Let's check. So, ayan siya now. Nadidinig niyo ba yung crunch? But we're still going to cook it even more para mas crunchy pa siya. So, balik natin. As you can see, beshies, nag-off yung red. Ito yung red button kasi nag-off siya automatically kapag naabot niya na yung init. So, hanggang 200 degrees Celsius siya and hanggang 30 minutes yung kanyang timer. Again, super small lang nito. Like, look at this, which is very convenient kapag nakastay kayo sa condo, sa dorm. Yung pang ano lang ba, para lang tipid sa oras din. Kasi when you cook sa air fryer, diba, lagay nyo lang siya dyan and then that's it. So, beshies, mag-chill muna tayo while waiting sa ating niluluto sa air fryer. So, the price of the 4 liters air fryer is for 1,149. Again, this is a Kaisa brand. I've heard a lot of good reviews done, but of course, mahirap kasi magtiwala agad sa online, right? Kasi sa Shopee ko siya nabili. So, tinest ko muna talaga siya sa pagluluto before ako mag-review, and of course to check if there's any damages. I've been a fan of air fryer ever since the pandemic, and you know naman, beshies, that yung air fryer nag-boost yan during pandemic. Alam niyo yan. I even posted an unboxing ng 7 liters air fryer namin sa bahay because I bought the Kiowa 7 liters air fryer, and I loved it. Nakakapag-bake ako doon, nakakapag-prito ako doon, boil ako ng itlog. Well, technically not boil, pero para siyang boiled egg but air-fried egg. So, I'm not sure if that even made sense. But, yun. So, I did a lot of things dun sa air fryer na yun, and I super love it. So, yun. I'm a fan of air fryer myself. It's been a long time since I last posted a vlog, but you know me naman, para akong kabote, bigla-bigla akong sumusulpot, and usually I have vlogs kapag what do you call this? Kapag may travel ako, and I've been very busy lately. I know hindi na ako working student, but I do plan, well, pag pinanood niyo to, yung vlog na to, I am filming this November 4th, but I'm going to post everything by December. So, I planned na i-full force ko yung vlog ko para may pondo ako, and then I'll post everything by December. para mapanood nyo siya ng sunod-sunod din every day. I'm gonna upload a vlog every 2 o'clock a.m. every day. So, sana ma-maintain ko siya hanggang sa next year kasi I really need to focus on vlogging as well because I love vlogging. You know naman that, guys. So, silipin na natin. It's been, I don't know how many minutes. Let's see. Oh, mas crunchy na siya dyan. And try ko ulit siyang baliktarin and then I'll give it last 5 minutes. And of course, rice is life. Nagsasayang na rin ako. Ayan. While cooking, I'll give you the pros and cons of the air fryer na nabili ko. Pros is number 1, super laking tulong niya if you are working, if you're a student, or if you're living alone in Manila or somewhere na nagtatrabaho ka na minimal lang yung space or maliit lang yung space ang tinitirhan mo, because this air fryer is super small na perfect sa maliit na space. Actually, what I always do after ko siyang gamitin is hinuhugasan ko yung tray. Kapag tuyo na siya, I put back the basket dun sa air fryer and then nilalagay ko lang ulit sa box. Dun lang siya kasi super, syempre yung mga roommates ko has their own things, right? So, para hindi siya nakakasagabal sa space, I always put it back sa box. So, super convenient. It's one of the things I love about this air fryer. Number 2 is, you know naman, I'm trying to be healthy and ako talaga, I love, not gonna lie, and I think we all do, hindi natin talaga maiiwasan yung mga oily na food. Although, hindi ako kumakain ng taba ng pork or any taba ng kung ano mang meat yan. But the thing about me is that, syempre, mga french fries, mga pritong pagkain, pritong ulam, I like it. I eat those. And I know it's unhealthy and I'm trying my best na mabalik yung dati kong weight and of course yung blood chem ko sa neck. This month actually I'm planning to go back sa clinic at magpa-blood chem. So the goal is for me not to have the fatty liver anymore and for me na maging mas healthy. Again, I need to go back dun sa goal weight ko, which is malayo pa siya. It's still a long way to go but I know I can do this, diba? Let's manifest and motivate ourselves. Number 3 is, aside from, of course, its convenience and pagiging healthy, number 3, it's convenient siya, again, number 3, but convenient in a different way, wherein, kapag ka kasi nagpiprito ka, ang tendency nun is maraming tumatalsik na mantika, alam mo yon, makaalat, tapos parang, for me, kailangan mo siyang bantayan, yung mga prito-prito. Ito kasi pagdating sa air fryer, salang mo lang siya, okay na, tapos na. And it's not only for frying, diba? I've mentioned this earlier and you can watch this on my other vlogs wherein nagagamit ko din yung air fryer for baking. You just have to buy yung mga silicone na molder para makapagawa kayo ng cupcakes, para makapagawa kayo ng cakes, and I've tried that before kasi wala namang oven sa bahay. So I use air fryer for baking. O, diba? Super love it. Now, let's talk about cons. This is one of the things that I've noticed on this air fryer. And I'm going to compare this with... Uy, luto na. But I'll continue this. Anyway, so one of the cons that I could say is... since maliit lang siya, you have an option naman to buy 4 liters or 4.5 or 5 liters. Maraming options sa Shopee ng mga air fryers. You can buy a bigger one if you need one na mas malaki, of course. But for me, since kailangan ko lang is maliit, hindi okay siya for me personally. But of course, limited lang yung maluluto nyo, diba? Kagaya nung niluto kong chicken. If that will be cooked or air fried dun sa aming air fryer sa bahay, isang salang lang yan. But since maliit nga lang siya, halos kaganyan lang ng hands ko, ng kamay ko, kailangan mo talaga siyang lutuin ng twice, diba? Magkadalawang separate load is what I'm trying to say. But again, for me, it's okay lang naman kasi, diba, nakaupo lang ako, chumichismis ako sa inyo, and then nagluluto or napiprito yung chicken. Super less oil pa, another cons. But I mean, another pro. But again, when it comes to cons, yun nga, hindi kayo makakapagluto ng malaki. But of course, this is just the review dun sa air fryer na binili ko. Like what I've said, you can choose a different size ng air fryer depending on kung ano yung lulutuin nyo dun. Another cons that I'd say, and I'll show this with you in a bit, mahirap siyang isara. Mahirap ibalik yung basket. Yun lang talaga. Actually, mas mabilis nga siyang uminit kaysa dun sa air fryer ko na malaki. But when it comes to closing yung basket, nagsastock siya. And natatanggal naman siya, bumabalik. But I've noticed kasi yung sa ibang air fryer, isang click mo lang, nakukuha mo na yung basket. But this one, you have to hold pa sa likod. Basta medyo, siya. Well, minimal, lang naman siya cons. But again, if you want my honest opinion, then yun yung experience ko dun sa nabili kong basket. But it still works, okay? Now, let's check yung niluto ko. So, nadinig nyo kanina yung bell. Ayan o. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Hindi ko siya, yun. Super hirap niyang hilahin. But it's super cooked and crunchy. Yan, let's get this na and lipat na natin siya. Ang binili ko is Pure Foods and meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh my gosh, 6 pieces ng wings and then dalawang legs. So, I think sulit siya for 230 pesos ha. Bongga. Let's just give it a try in a bit kung masarap. Finally, pagpapahingin ko lang yung air fryer beshies kasi super init na niya. So, let's just bigyan natin siya ng chance na magpahinga at medyo lumamig to cool down. Ito sa inyo beshies, ito. Look, oh. Sobrang gusto ko maging healthy. Bumili ako ng malaking olive oil din. Pure olive oil. Tingnan natin kung hanggang saan natin ang papanindigan. But I really want to lose so much weight. Let's try na yung chicken if it's good. Ayan, ito yung balat. Ayan, mainit pa siya. Dapat start na ng fasting ko today, but you know what? Oh my gosh, it's good. And crunchy. So good. Anyway, I think normal naman siya na nag-fade kasi nga mainit. Basta alam niyo naman siguro 200, 180. Tansya-tansya lang yan, beshies, pagdating sa ganyan. Enough ko na siya kahit naka-on pa yung timer kasi ganun din yung ginagawa ko sa air fryer namin sa bahay. It will turn off automatically naman and I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Up until now, our air fryer still works just fine. Eto. Ayun, diba? Nadinig niyo yun? Yun yung click na sinasabi ko. And this is the chicken. And then, nga pala, beshies, you might be wondering, I used yung gantong foil. I-add ko na lang din yung link sa description down below. Yung paper na yan, baking paper ang tawag dyan. I used it kasi kapag tinanggal, nasasala niya na yung oil. So, basically, kahit hindi ko nahugasan yung basket, okay na yan siya. Pag tinanggal ko yan, malinis pa rin. So, yun. Sharing is caring. So, eto lang, beshies, para lang alam nyo, diba yan yun? Medyo mainit pa siya, actually. So, let's remove this. So, yan yung baking something. And then, if you look sa air fryer, charan! Of course, meron lang siyang konting oil. Pag lumabig na siya, pwede nyo na lang siyang punasan. But you don't need to wash it again. And ito, actually, natatanggal siya. Siya yung parang pinaka layer nung air fryer. I'll show you. Ito. Ayan, umangat siya. So, yep. So, beshies, that's it for today's vlog. Ako, I highly recommend talaga na meron ko yung air fryer kasi for me, super dami ng oil na natanggal dun sa chicken na niluto ko. And even though nag-spray ako ng onte, yung chicken itself still has oil. So, mas healthier yung food natin kapag meron ng air fryer. And sabi ko nga, wala lang akong ginawa, kumain, hinintay ko lang siyang tumunog, then luto na. That's super easy. And this is not a sponsored vlog, okay? Yung Pure foods na sinasabi ko sa inyo, masarap na chicken. Hindi siya sponsored. Hindi rin sponsored yung air fryer. But if you want to buy the air fryer, I will add the link down below sa description. I highly recommend it. Plus, I also like talaga yung chicken. Upon checking this supermarket, yung binili ko kasi is original flavor, but they also have the garlic parmesan na flavor. Hindi ko siya na-try, but I feel like masarap din siya. Siguro next time yun yung bibilin ko para, diba, para iba naman. Anyway, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Follow and like my Facebook and Instagram page as well. Ang link ay nasa description down below. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay healthy sa inyo at sa inyong buong family. God bless us all and see you tomorrow on my next vlog. Bye!